Let's beginning the course for today. Today we discuss about the snowball methods. What is this? And generally, snowball method is using to eliminate your debts. Pay off your smallest debt first and watch your money freedom grow. Let's begin. What we'll cover today? Today we will talk about the definition and the formula in the first term. Next, we will talk about why the snowball methods work. Next, let's take a theoretical example. In the fourth place, we will take a concrete daily cases. And in the last stage, we will speak about the expert tips to get the most out of it. Explanation. What is the snowball method? Snowball method is a debt repayment strategy where you list all your debt from smallest to a largest balance. Then attack the smallest on the first, while paying the minimum on others. Once it's gone, you roll that payment into a next debt, and so on. Just like a snowball getting bigger as it rolls. How it works? List the debts to the smallest to the largest. Pay minimum on all debts. Put all extra costs on the smallest. When it's paid off, snowball it's to upgrade to a second. What is the formula? Step by step. Monthly budget for a debt minus sum of the minimum payment equal extra cash. This is a graph showing you how is a snowball grow as each debt is eliminated. When and why to use it? You have multiple debts at the same time. You feel overwhelmed and need motivation. Your debts are similar in interest rates. You need quick psychologically wins. You're building your first budget plan. Why it's work? Psychologically, quick win boosts motivation. Fewer debts equal fewer monthly bills to jungle. Freed payments roll into a bigger attack. Build a habit of debt repayment discipline. Richard show it's more effective than pure math. This is a bar chart show you a repayment strategy to have a more motivation. This is a theoretical example. Let's see the math behind it. Your debt situation starting point. Credit card A, the first debt, medical bill, second debt, car loan, third, student loan, fourth. So if you see the balance, the few balance is the credit card A, 350. Second, the medical bills, 800. Car loan, 3,200. And the student loan is 9,500. So, to have your motivation to pay your debt, you must pay the minimum debt first. So, paying the credit card first. you take 22%. And for the medical bills, you take 0% or $40. For interest rate and car loan, you take 8%. And for student loan, you take 5%. So after you finish paying your credit card, your number of debt is less than before. You have only three. So that's make you motivate to pay your debts. The monthly budget debt for debt is $500. Total minimum is 380. Extra cost is 120 by a month. So, what you do the first? You must pay this extra cost available in your first minimum debt to eliminate it very quickly. This is a chartboard show you a snowball order, smallest to higher. Let's take another theoretical example. In the first one, monthly 1 to 3, we attack a credit card A. After 3 months, we had the payoff. In the phase 2, month 4 to 8, we attack medical bill 800. So after 5 months, we paid off it. In the phase 3, we attack the car loan in the month 9 to 20. After 12 months, we paid off it. And the latest in the phase 4, in the month 21 to 40, we attack student loan. After 20 months, we paid off it. This is a graph show you how is your step to paying your debt. Let's take a real life example. Meet Sarah, a real person with a real debt. Sarah is 28, earns $2,800 by a month, and has three debt for everyday life situations. Phone bill debt, store credit card, and personal loan. What of these we must pay the first? We must pay the first the minimum debt. So we must pay the first the phone bill debt. Sarah monthly debt budget is 300. The minimum total is 190. Evaluate extra available, we have 110 by a month. So we must use this extra available to pay first the phone bill debt. This is a small picture show you how the Sarah debt in a graph. 4% for the phone debts, 90% for the store cards, and 77% for the personal loan. Sarah's snowball journey. Let's use our methods. So in the first step, on the month 1 to 3, demolish the phone debts. After 2 months, we paid off. Yes, my first debt is gone. I feel unstoppable. The second, in the month 3 to 11, we attack the store credit cards. We paid off it in 7 more months. That furniture card that stressed me out of 2 years, it's gone. And in the third place, in the month 12 to 35, we crashed the personal loan. We paid off it in 15 more months. I went from 3 debt to 0 under 3 years. Life changing. Great job. This is the graph showing you how you work to eliminate your debts. Let's take an expert's tips how to get the most out of the snowball methods. First, be consistent. Second, stop adding new debts. If you have above 3 or 4 debts, don't add a new debt. Charts a method to quick eliminate it before searching new debts. Third, celebrate small win. After one debt eliminated, celebrate. Fourth, track your progress visually. 5. Consider hybrid approach. 6. Boost your snowball. This is a few expert tip impact score of your snowball methods. Let's take a key takeaway for our lesson today. The snowball method works not just mathematically, but psychologically, and that's matter most. List debt smallest to largest in your interest rates. Attack the smallest with all your extra cash. Roll free payment into the next targets. Each win fuel motivation for the next battle. Stay consistent and you will become debt free. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. The snowball does the rest. That is our lesson for today. Thank you very much, everyone. And if you have a question, don't hesitate to write in the comment. Subscribe on our channel to help me to grow our channel. Thank you very much and see you soon.